Hi guys, welcome back to Detailing in the Beast. Today, a very quick one, working on the Ranger. We're going to replace these horrible yellowy non-LED lights at the back for the number plate, and we're going to replace them with these nice, bright, cool white LED units. I got these off the internet. I'll put you a link in the video description below. But for now, we've got to get these old units out. So you're going to need a trim tool, slim and thin if possible. And you push in at the bottom of the unit to release the metal catch. And the unit should pop out. It's only retained in one end. Twist the bulb connector and the whole lens unit comes out. Remove the bulb. Now these are 501 wedge connectors, so you can pop that in. It doesn't matter which way round. And if you really want to do a real good job, because water can get in this, put a blob of silicone around that. And then you're going to put these back in. Clip in at the top, push to fit at the bottom. And we get a nice white crisp LED. Much better, much more in keeping with the back of the truck. I'm just going to do the other one, and then we're all done.